Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today let us see how to do ginger chutney. This chutney is the best combination for idli, dosa, chapatis and rotis. For the chutney, pour some oil in a pan. To this add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and half a teaspoon of split black gram. Let the mustards pop. To this add 3 to 4 tablespoons of chopped ginger, 3 or 4 chopped garlic cloves. Give them a nice saute. The raw smell of the ginger and garlic has to go off. Let us add few curry leaves into this. Once this is sauteed well, we can add around half a cup of freshly grinded onion paste and 3/4 cup of freshly grinded tomato paste. To this add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3/4 teaspoon of chili powder and the required amount of salt. And here for the onion paste you can grind around 2 onions, and for the tomato paste you can use 3 or 4 tomatoes. Now close this and cook for few minutes. This is almost ready, but we have to cook until the oil oozes out. Now let us close this and cook until the oil oozes out. So here our chutney is ready. I'm going to serve this chutney with some dosas. This chutney not only suits dosas, it is a perfect combination for idli, roti and chapati. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.